Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I always bring you new websites so you can get a lot of profit. So I'm back with another brand new website so you can get a lot of profit. First of all, you have to register. For that you have to put your email here, password here, invitation code. You'll get it by description box and sign it up. You can also sign in if you already have an account. So I'm gonna sign in because I already have an account. Here you can see that I will put my Gmail and my password here. You can see that. After putting my information, click on sign in button. I will, and here you can see that it will be loading like that, and login success, my dear friend. You can see that you can save password for the next time. There's some announcement. Byte latest investment project is now open to individual user. Anyone can participate in BYD
Shanghai Auto Show, which is one.
BYD investment anytime, 24 hours a day. Funds are monitored and managed by Wells Fargo to avoid loss. To avoid loss of investor fund, we solemnly promise that this platform will never be closed. We are safe and reliable platform to ensure the safety of everyone's funds. BYD's latest investment project is recruiting investment partner around the world. Invite your friends to join us. Earn a fixed amount every day. New user can get $88 for free when they register. Minimum withdrawal will be $3. Online time will be May 9, 2024, 12 o'clock New York time, and they are also providing you registration link and invitation code, and they are also providing you online customer service link for you. If you have any doubt, you can contact them 24/7. They were be always available for you guys. मेरे को कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, तुम लोगों को भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, कुछ इन्वेस्ट ना करना, मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं होंगी. So okay my friend, so you will get 11% rebate on A level. On B level you will get 5%. On C level you will get 2%. So now we go on the home page. On the home page they are providing us recharge, withdraw, app download link and a company profile. So my dear friend, first of all I will tell you how can you recharge. Just go to the recharge box. Here you can see that they are providing you QR code. You can scan it, the address you can copy it, copy the address, go to the trust wallet, complete the payment. After completing the payment, click on recharge complete button. Your recharge will be completed within a few minutes. Now we go back to the home page. Here you can see they are also providing you withdraw app and company pro. Okay, so my dear friend, here you can see that our VIP one is unlocked now, so we will go to the VIP one. Here you can see that, so we will click here, and my dear friend, now we go to the task hall. Here you can see that there is a task to complete, and you can see that I have to click on to be complete button. It will be loading like that, my dear friend. You can see that, so it will be loading, and you can see it is completed successfully. Now we can withdraw our amount. You can see the completed. You can we have completed our task, and the income is $3. So now we go to the withdraw page, and you can see that we will go to the withdraw page, and my dear friend, you can see that we have to put our amount here, and put the code here, receiving address here, password here, put your password here, and click on withdraw page. Withdraw successfully. You can see the withdraw successful notifications. I will show you the withdraw proof as soon as I receive that, my dear friend. You can see that. Fine. Okay my friend, after the withdraw, here you can see there is a task call, there is a platform introduction. There's a platform introduction in YouTube video. You can see it. There are a lot of VIP level. You can unlock them all. There's an app download link. You can download the app as well if you want to download it. There's a company profile, my dear friend, where you will get company information. You can read it out. And my dear friend, there's a notification box where you will get withdraw successful notification like that. There's a Telegram customer service they're providing you. There's a language changer. You can choose your language from here. There's a team report area, my dear friend. Here you can see that they're providing you your invitation code, your invitation link. You can copy and invite friend. You will get 3 level rebate, 11%, 5%, 2%. So there's a VIP area. You can unlock different VIP level and you will get profit for that. On there's a me page. On the me page they're providing you your Gmail, your total balance, your recharge amount, withdraw account, financial record, transfer. You can change password. You can also sign it out from here. First of all, we will go to the financial record where you can see they are providing you basic account detail, register for free, and the withdrawal account detail where you can see task benefit and withdrawal deduction. So you can see you can also transfer the amount from withdrawal account to basic account, my dear friend. You can see that it is loading like that. And my dear friend, you can see that you can also sign it out from here. So my dear friend, I have cleared every single detail about the website, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Please like my video, subscribe my channel.